really what you would be encountering in the field is that for the layers, the protocol layer, the format layer, these are usually solved with some standard libraries. So anybody that has spent more than a day doing connectivity, that's not usually where the issue is. For the information model, you would need some sort of mapping to fill in the information model. Usually that's also, if you use a standard library for information model, maybe you already have all the classes required, and doing that mapping is not that difficult. And even if it's not available, usually that's not the biggest hurdle. But the semantics layer, this is what I want to get at and explain why that is such difficult compared to other layers. And it really comes down to the fact that source code in our industry, it's always proprietary. So you never have direct access to the source code to know exactly what's going on. So going back to my barcode example, the barcode example, the example I gave was if it has a failure to read the barcode because the barcode is damaged or something, then it output fails. So what's going on in the code when that happened? The sensor would probably send out an error, and then the source code would decide what's going on. So source code would say, okay, if I detect an error on the barcode reader, I will output fail in the information model. And that's really just one case, but the thing is, you have to know how the machine will react for every cases that can happen on the machine. And because this is hidden and proprietary, this is where the difficulty is at. So you never have directly access to the source code, so what can you do? Well, your options are really to rely on samples, documentation, a contact, like a technical contact at the company, or to have what we prefer at Cogiscan would be a partnership, a long-term partnership with the equipment vendor or the MES. So this is really what you can do, and the other one would be just the sheer amount of experience you have over the year with those machines. This would also help solve the meaning.